He's 6 years and running, same motor, same driver and everything.
Yeah, don't nobody ride my shit for me.
Huh?
I ain't turning down nothing but my collar. It ain't too often I wear shirts like that either.
Woo.
Yeah.
You got too much breakfast.
Hey, we got for your elders, man. You no motherfucking good basketball practice, track practice, we got everything going on. Did you ever go get his bike? What the fuck is this at?
They go 10, they go 5 more, right?
Come too soon. I should have known you'd get full blown. I'll take the pressure, baby. It's systematic, honey. The formula for love is so nobody useful. It's plain addiction. I'm on a mission. 1 + 1 equals 2. I'll take the pressure, take the pressure. I'll take the pressure, so we won't hurt. So we won't hurt. I'll take the pressure, take the pressure.
Yeah. Okay. Hello, motherfucker. Hey, hi, how you doing? It's me to F, baby. Come to take a shit and urine on it. Toilet old bitches. Profile snuggles. Stuffing on this beat like a motherfucking Sigma. Bad to the bristle. Hat to the whistle. I'm so official. All I need is a whistle. Bitch named Crystal. Let her suck my pistol. She up and up, I'm out, and then I blow her brains out. You ain't met a nigga like me. You probably never will. Riders rolling with me like 11 wheels. Find out where you living. Kill you in the kitchen. The feds tryna clip us, but we ain't even trip. I'm going in. I'm going in. I'm going in. I'm going in. Bitch, I'm going in. I'm going in. I'm going in. I'm going in. First off, you know what it is if you heard Drake. Making hoes wobble like a bridge in a earthquake. Never see me out, cause I live in my workplace. I give you the business and button up your shirt straight. Look at where I landed, you would think I planned it. I'm just doing me and you can never understand it. Get hammered, big dick bandit. Money flowing like a slit wrist, no bandage. Blowing purple clouds, nigga, I'm so sky high. I ain't cutting anybody slices out of my pie. Out of this world, though, I'm so sci-fi.
I told him he couldn't fuck with me.
He tough. We go to 7. We go to 7.
Bring your ass down here again. You had him in first, right? I don't know what the fuck he did. He came right back like that. Like I told him earlier, big homie. I threw the fishing hook on that nigga. Alright, reel that nigga in. Guess what? Reel that nigga in. That nigga's head out there. That was stuck with the first one. You know what I'm saying? Like, on his ass. He took his head out the ball. It was like this, don't need to catch up, nigga. Know what I mean? That's your fault for not. I told you better take that back. You gotta take off. That head work though, my nigga. That's your fault for not knowing how to take off. You gotta take that back, my nigga. That ain't it. That ain't it. You my nigga though. You feel me? Alright, I told you that. I told you. Y'all done started something. Yeah, I told him. Yeah, y'all gonna everybody turn rate 220. Niggas ain't gonna do me like that though. Straight up, nigga. My shit's bad, nigga. Niggas ain't gonna do me like that though. For real. If I lose, I'm taking my shit back. Tell niggas you built my shit, you owe me. You better tell nigga he owe you, bro. That nigga had you buy about 3 bikes on the way. Hey, he got you by one. He got you by one. He got you by first person. Like 3 bikes, nigga. Yeah, I didn't burn no rubber really that second time. I didn't really burn no rubber. I just took off on that motherfucker, you feel me? Y'all know what you're doing, yeah? What heat is on? Nigga, I got a race. Hey, it was a race, though. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It was a race. I ain't gonna lie. It was a race, nigga. You did your thing on that motherfucker. Man, I don't know why my shit poured out well like that. You know what I'm saying? It's always a winner and a loser. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Somebody else lose, though. I'm still undefeated, though. I'm undefeated right now, nigga. I'm undefeated, though, you heard me? get at me, nigga. I'm undefeated. I'm undefeated. You undefeated out here? Tell me nothing, man. I'm coming for that nigga. How many you wasn't out here? That nigga told all that shit down there, nigga. I'm coming for that nigga. Fuck, I don't even want to race all those people up here. That's why I just told him, leave me alone. I want to race the LA nigga. Turn it down so I can hear this stuff. This nigga right here is on YouTube. This nigga's a cold nigga right here. Hello? I don't want to race my niggas, man. Are they calling?
Who you going for, man? Who you want, man?
You know
What you want,
I want that nigga Dynamite, nigga. That nigga black thing right here, nigga.
Hey, he got that, Poncho got that nigga rolling bike over there bleeding.
Anybody else?
Come see it. Right now, you in our league. You in my league right now, 95 to 106. That nigga ain't 117 right now.
Yeah, he's like you said about 106.
He 106 league right now. What?
95, nigga.
He ain't gonna leave 95 that way. He ain't gonna leave a 95.
I'm coming back, nigga.
1 month, nigga.
I'm still in the 116 league, nigga.
Tell 1 month.
Hey, nigga, my shit fast, nigga. Yeah, hey. They got 95 right there. You wanna race me?
Oh, yeah.
I don't even want to race you. You too fast.
No, I know. Everybody in Oakland know about that candy purple thing. They know that thing is. The old motor was fast. My shit extreme fast now. You know what I mean? Yeah, the old motor was fast. I'm extreme fast right now.
You ain't ready for that blue thing right there, though.
Man, blue thing right there. That's my nigga right there. We come to get you other niggas, man. We come to get you niggas on these 88s. They was trying to
Yeah, man, you know.
95s.
I lost, man, but you know, I'll be back. You know what I'm saying? The first race was real close, second race, I don't know what happened then.
Well, what happened?
I heard it was something like this.
Yeah, did you hear what the second one was like?
What you saying?
I heard out of 4 races, I heard it was 3 out of 4.
It was 2 out of 2, nigga. Now what happened?
Get in the game, ain't it, man? Get in the game, man. Ain't it, man?
Yeah.
Get in the game. What you say? Get in the game, ain't it, man?
We gonna get this here. Ain't no camera. Now, yes it is right here. Now, in front of all the troops, what version did you see, nigga?
This camera was dead. You want to go put that motherfucker out there right now?
What version did you see?
You want to go put your motherfucker?
I'm asking you.
You want to go put that motherfucker out there right now?
I'm gonna tell y'all what really happened. Now y'all want to see?
I
want to see it. We here. I want to see it. Wait a minute. I want to see the shit. I'm talking about it. Let me see it. We got the strip right now.
Listen here, man.
We got the strip right out here. I want to see it. I want to see. Hey, I want to see. Right. It ain't no need to talk about it. We got the track right out there, the strip right outside.
What you got?
I want to see.
You stay in your category.
You want to get at you too?
No, nigga, I'm talking to you.
Right.
Okay, now look.
No, get on your bike.
We ain't gonna. I'm in here conflicting stories, nigga.
It ain't no conflicting story.
Okay, now look here. I'm gonna tell you what really happened.
2 out of 3 though.
It's a goddamn lie. You sure smoking mother. Don't do moms like that. Don't do moms like that.
Man, come on, man. You gonna make me put my helmet on, man.
I never.
You gonna make me put my helmet on. I don't even like talking all that shit lying and shit. Put my helmet on, man.
That motherfucking bike right there, dog. I'll tell you. That bike right there can't run with you.
Let me let you get your camera.
Now let me tell y'all what happened. The real version.
Let me see. Make up.
You just said you're gonna let me tell the story.
All right, man.
You just said you're gonna let me have the flow.
Go ahead.
Look what the nigga do.
Go ahead.
The nigga set the mark. He give us the mark where we gonna race. I get out on the nigga catch me right here. I thought we was racing right here. He catch me right here. So the crowd say, true story. So the crowd say he won by that much. Okay, I say let's do it again. I annihilate the nigga by about 3 bikes. Okay. We go back up there and
what happened in that third race?
The third race. Now look, I'm gonna say this here. Wait a minute, let me finish.
Okay,
let me finish.
Go ahead, cause I want to comment on that.
The third race is this here.
Okay, what happened?
You know what happened. That heater came out, right or wrong.
Okay, but
wait a minute. You did that. I don't make up no excuses. The little thing I had came out. He won. Okay. The fourth race, who won?
What fourth race? The half a race? The half a track? The half a track?
Oh, you can win the half a track. You know half a track. We didn't start where we was racing from all night.
You was a goddamn
You a
liar.
goddamn man. You man on my mama.
Boy,
On my mama.
I didn't know Frisco niggas could
Come on,
lie
man.
like that.
Come on, man. I can put my
I didn't know Frisco.
I can put my man. My boots in the building, man.
I'm gonna tell you what
you know. You my nigga. You my nigga, but
I'm gonna tell you just what he
You
did.
should have bought the white bike.
I should have. But I'm gonna tell you what the nigga
You should
did.
have bought the white bike.
Once the nigga, hey, everybody, once the nigga found out that he could catch me on the bigger end, he wanna stretch the race. Nigga went all the way over that bridge and wanted to race.
Oh, there you go. There you go. He was my nigga. He was my nigga right here. My nigga was a witness. Then what happened? He witnessed it.
How many races did we go?
You know what I learned from? When you say one race, one breakdown, you miss a year, whatever, the first race, he got you.
Okay,
If it was one race and it was $1,
one race. But the ones who said that got me is y'all.
Hey, but he got you 2 out of 3 from the gate. The fourth race,
Doobie was right there. Doobie was right there.
2 out of 3. I didn't win the second race.
How you gonna win?
You won the second race.
Okay.
But the third race, I got you.
And the
How you
fourth
gonna
race,
win?
I won.
That was a half a track. This dude crazy.
Hey, you went
go the whole
from feet down to move up closer to rolling start. You changed the whole story.
Now
You
look,
changed the whole race.
hold on. Your fat ass got 7 times over there.
Right, but I'm not.
I didn't even want to bring that up. Well, stay in your place, though.
Hey, but I'm talking about this. That's why my fat ass stood here and watched your shit get ran.
You ain't seen Dynamite never get ran.
That's why I got on my bike and still right here at the finish line. And my nigga came in.
I'll tell you what, Chuck.
My nigga came in
I see your
My nigga came in
I lost
first.
the last 17 fights, but I'll whoop you. Now,
Hey,
get
you
your fat ass
rolled
on
all the way
there.
to the bank for that L.
Nigga, I ain't had no L. Ain't no L
You
up
rolled all
under
the way
me,
to the
man.
bank for that L.
You ain't no L up under me, nigga. That motherfucker,
I
you wasn't
appreciate
even
you
there.
for being you, but you lost.
Hey, we got to find us.
My bad, you know what I'm saying?
I gotta say it, but I gotta say it.
I appreciate you for being you.
Real talk. All this what we talking about.
Hey, we gotta finish videotaping. Yeah. Let's get back to the rack of lamb over there, right?
Cut the cameras off, man. Cut the cameras off over here. Stop.
And you only won last night because you tried to stretch it out. Nigga,
Oh, you talking to me? I thought you was looking that way. I thought you was looking that way.
I'm talking to Wednesday and Jerome, nigga. That's what I'm talking to, nigga. I'm talking to both of y'all. Nigga, your heart ain't big as a mustard seed.
Only thing that made sense of what you said was win. You won.
Yeah, okay. You didn't put nothing up.
You right. If I did, I'd have been rich to the motherfucker, though.
You want to put something else up? All right,
I'll
then
let you
stay
go
on your
build a
place.
new bike, man.
Stay on your place, nigga. You don't want to put nothing up. He was racing.
If I did, I would have won, right?
You was just a goddamn lie.
If I would have put some money up, would I have won yesterday?
No.
You ain't mentioned
No.
You told me he got you, so I'm betting on him.
Wait a minute.
How you can't never lose though?
Wait a minute.
How you ain't losing?
Didn't I tell these brothers that you won?
Then I would have won. If I would have put some money up, would I have won?
Hang on, I'm gonna let you argue with him.
No.
I'm out of it. I'm out of it.
No.
Cause you know me, man.
If I would have put some money up, now you sound stupid. You was motherfucking pumping all the motherfucking Kool-Aid. You had Green Monster running through you, nigga. You didn't want to do nothing. And the nigga barely beat me. Now what happened in the second race? He lost. That's what I thought.
Second place don't count, man.
No, nigga, I said second
If it
race.
was one race and he would have kept going, you would have left here with
Nigga,
that
was
long.
4 niggas racing with you and you took 4.
He was born a sportsman.
left
You
that
know,
out.
I'm 350 pounds racing
Well,
with a
stay in a
103,
big man
nigga.
place then,
I do it
nigga.
for fun.
That's what I do
You know
it
what I'm saying?
for. But you ain't gonna
I do it
discredit
for
me, nigga.
fun, man.
Nigga, I was whooping
I'm just
that
saying, if it
ass.
was one race and my nigga would have won and kept going,
But it wasn't.
then you would have never.
And the only niggas that said he won was you. Cause my people said he didn't win.
Who?
No, nigga, my people said around said you didn't win.
And the wife said you had to win again because she wasn't too motivated on that. Do it again, baby. Do it again. Do it again.
Do it again.
She said do it
Other than
again.
me, he won all of them.
That's what I'm talking about. That's love. She said do it again. Try harder, baby. Try harder. Try harder. Stay on train. Don't die, train.
After you little bitch.
They're gonna take motherfucker right now again in front of everybody. I get all the witnesses out here. This is the time when it's running good. When everybody out here. I run really good when everybody out here. You wanna try to get me alone by myself and shit? Nah. Ain't none of that. Ain't none of that. We gonna gang rape.
You know what he do?
Gang rape you.
You know what he do, nigga? That's what he coming.
We coming. What?
That's what you ain't gonna do. I'll take off my belt and get the whooping, nigga. Ain't no gang rape in here. Nigga, this crip, nigga. That's rape shit here. There ain't gonna be none of that. You want some kids, tell you something, nigga. This ain't nigga, this here. Now, You know what the motherfucker do, so now you talking real bullshit.
I got a nickel, nigga, right now.
Y'all see what you
I got a nickel on my shit.
I tell you what.
Take that back to the
Did he touch you?
No,
Did you lose to that fight?
I got 500 say I'll whoop that motherfucker right now. I got 500 say I'll
We
whoop
said
that
it where we did last week. You won't.
What? At the halfway track?
No, wherever
the track
you
where
made the track.
That's how we race. No,
You made the mark.
No, you started at the half track. You say let's start at the short. You know you said that, dog. Come on.
Did I ask you where we started?
Man, come on, man.
What's up, Pato? Worthy enough for an interview? I watch all y'all little DVDs. Ain't one town nigga on there interviewing his bike and all that shit. What's up? You want to interview right now? There you go, right there, man. There it is, man.
How about you interview him on AGTV? You watch all our little tapes, man.
You should know how it go then. Let him know from the town, man.
And you interview him. And
We here live on 88. And not the Bay Area, but deep East Oakland. I'm Trill, this Pato, president and second to none. My name's Gino. This Gino. It's my nigga. 220. You know? I want you to really get a look at this motherfucker. You feel me? 124 now. Little Dusty, because he just got it out fresh out. You know? It's all and it's ready for whatever. You got all the little pieces. Whatever. But whatever with a question mark, what's up? I mean, anybody, right? That umbrella folds out? Okay. Let it be known, man. Cause I'm the new freest nigga on the shake. Feel me? The nigga Dynamite, he talk about he the freest, but he ain't the fastest no more. He's the sheriff in town. His name is Poncho. And you better believe it. You know what I mean? I told him I'm gonna turn him into a firecracker coming up here fucking with me. You know what I mean? Ain't no more Dynamite. You know what I mean? See what it is. Second line, get a glimpse of that motherfucker. That motherfucker called the beat. There you go, man. There you go. Hey.